You boy, good morning.
Okay.
Yes, morning, sir.
Bruh.
What are you doing here, boy?
Boss, I'm here to...
I say, you here to do what? Can you tell me?
Bruh.
Boss, I'm here to sit.
Oh my God. What do you mean to say you are there to sit? Harya buriya mu cyongereza kwinjoyinga babyita nkukira?
You boss, I'm here to enjoying in English.
Turashize none.
No. You say you are very so funny, baby.
Yes, boss, I'm so. You see it?
Yes, I see you are very stupid.
Oh my goodness, boss, uzi kuvuza izina ryanjye. You see, abantu benshi bakunda kunyita stupid, kandi iryo zina ndaryemera. Very good name.
You stupid. I want to kill you. This world don't need people like you. Do you listen to me?
Imana ishimwe, God takes. Boss, uravuze ngo uje kunjyana mu kazi rwose, urakoze. Urugendo ntabwo nari kuzabukira.
I don't want peace. I want problems always.
None se boss, akazi buriya turagatangira ryari? Ubu ntitwatangira nonaha. Hajya ntabwo wumva ikinyarwanda. What job time starting?
Okay, I understand you. I am going to kill you now.
Ibyo ngibyo ndabyumvishe. Uravuze ngo nawe. Okay, reka tubikore. Boss, do it.
Turashize none.
I'm going to cut your neck. Let me do it now.
Boss, the job is not easy.